Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you my wash routine with my Microlocs. Alright, let's get into the video. So for today's wash, I am going to be using a conditioning shampoo from Mielle. That's the Rosemary Mint shampoo. And I like to start off with making sure my hair is completely drenched in water, because I find that my hair easily absorbs the product better when my hair is completely wet. And I do have a full head of hair, so I have to take an extra time to make sure the water gets into my hair. So I'm using my hands as well, just to help distribute the moisture, distribute the water, to ensure that it gets into every part of my head, my hair, as much as possible. Now I'm going in with the product and focusing on making sure the product is applied to my scalp, because I will be focusing for the first part of the wash on just my scalp, focusing on just getting rid of any buildup on the scalp. So I'm just kneading my scalp and loosening any buildup that may have occurred on the scalp, as well as distributing the product through the hair too as I work through my hair. I'm also being careful with the kneading process through my hair, because my hair is overdue for a retie. So I have a lot of loose hair from the roots, so I'm just kneading gently through my hair. I am going in again with the product to repeat the same process. I repeat it 3 times or 2 times, depending on how far in between washes I am at that moment. Now I begin to work on the length of my hair, distributing and adding more product to the length of the hair. It seems as though my hands are working quickly through my hair, but the video is actually sped up. And at this moment, I am focusing on the length of my hair, just washing the length of the hair. Now that I'm done with the wash, I'm just going to wrap my hair around with a towel, and I'm going to let the towel soaking the remaining water in the hair, the extra water in the hair. I'm going to leave the towel on my hair for some minutes. And I wanted to also mention that I made sure that the towel that I used does not shed and leave behind lint in my locks, because we know lint in locks is not a great experience. So make sure that the towel that you use to wrap around your hair does not shed. All right, so I've had the towel wrapped around my hair for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to take the towel out so I can go ahead with the next step in the process. So I'm starting out with the leave-in conditioner. It's winter right now. The weather is dry. The atmosphere is dry, and I know it's going to try to take out as much moisture from my hair, and I'm trying to lock in as much moisture I can in my locks. So I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner from Natural Nigerian. It's a Nigerian hair company, so it comes all the way from Nigeria. I know it's a long ways to have the product come over, but I do really appreciate their products, and I see that it really works well with my locks. So yes, I get them when I can. So it's a leave-in conditioner from Natural Nigerian. So I'm going in with coconut oil, and one of the reasons I choose coconut oil is because coconut oil has a high viscosity, so it's more easily absorbed by the hair, and also I love the smell as well. So yes, I'm rubbing the coconut oil through the strands of my hair. So now I'm just going to let my hair air dry throughout the day. It takes a couple of hours, but I prefer to air dry my hair. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. You found it informative. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.